Tired of complex coding when you just want to bring your app idea to life? Let's jump straight into Lovable, the no-code platform that empowers you to build stunning mobile and web applications, starting with the intuitive dashboard. This is your canvas. Simply drag and drop elements like buttons, text fields, and images to design your app's interface without writing a single line of code. Customize each element by tweaking its properties, change the text, color, and even define actions that happen when a user interacts with it. Speed up your development process by using pre-built templates for different app categories, giving you a solid foundation to customize. Connect your app to external data sources and services like Google Sheets and Firebase using Lovable seamless integration features, expanding your app's functionality. Ensure your app looks great on any device by using the responsive design preview to see how it adapts to different screen sizes. Once you're happy with your app, publish it to the web or mobile app stores with just one click, making your creation accessible to the world. And that's how you create functional and visually appealing apps with Lovable without any coding. Start building your dream app today.